Hello everybody, welcome to C Programming Tutorials. I'm Jam. In the previous video, I showed you some of the IDEs that you can use to write your C program. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate what a C program looks like, its structure, and how you can make your program easier to understand. Now let's open up a simple program and then we can talk about it. So here I'm using Xcode. You can use whatever IDE that is best for you, as long as you understand how C works. Okay. So in this simple program, it's simply display a text message, "Hello world." Okay. So whenever you learn a new programming language, you usually print a message called "Hello world." That means that you're saying hello to the world. Okay. So now let's run the program and see what it does, and then we'll talk about it. Okay. So if I run the program, you can see that the "Hello world" message is printed out on the screen. Okay. So here in the first few lines, here we have the command line here. This is a C standard command. Okay, so we have we begin the command with a slash and a star, and then we write our command, and then we end the command with a star and a slash. Okay, so this is a multi-line command, so you can write many lines of commands. Okay, you can write anything and everything else. Okay, so that's C standard command. However, there's another way you can write your command by using C++ command. Okay, so if you want to use C++ command, you can use double slash, so which is like this, "Hello world," something like that. Here is C++ command. Okay, but just to remember that this is a single line command, so you can only write only one line of command. Okay, so you cannot enter to a new line and you write something here. This is not a this will not allow you to write multi-lines command. It will throw you an error. Okay, so just remember that we have to type of command here. Okay, so down here we have the include identifier here. So first we have the hash symbol here. This means this is a preprocessor directive. Okay, so following with the hash symbol, we have include keyword, and then stdio.h. Okay, this is basically a C standard library. Okay, whenever you write a C program, you have to include this library. Okay, this is standard input and output library. Okay, so this library contains many different functions, and some of them are printf and scanf. Okay, so the functionality of these functions I will talk about in the subsequent video. Okay, so now basically we are talking about the structure of a C program. So it's just a simple program. Okay, so here I just print out the "Hello world" message, and then I have the return 0 here. Okay, return is a reverse word. Okay, so we have in, void, return. These are reserved word. Okay, but here we have the common semicolon here and then semicolon here. This is basically a punctuation, like we have punctuation in our language. Okay, and whenever you write a C program, we have to provide that program a main function. Okay, so this is the main function of the program. In a subsequent video, we'll talk about some other functions that are that can include in the main function. So in the top-down design, we have to break the program down into many smaller functions, so it's easier to manage and to debug and also to fix the errors. Okay, so we have here in the main function we have int. This is actually a return value. Okay, so down here we have return 0. 0 is an integer. Okay, so when we return 0, that means we return an integer. So 0 means that the program executed without any errors. Okay, so if I change that 0 to 1, this means that the program executed with some error. Okay, so let's change it to 0. So run it. Okay, then it will display the hello world message. Okay, so what if you want to print more message here? So instead of just hello world, you want to something like hello world and my name is whatever your name is. So here if I put another printf function here, and I just put this, say hello world, my name is Giang. Okay, now let's run the program and see what it does. Well, you can see that they are not in they are in the same line, which is not really a good not really good to display. So we can fix it by using the backslash n. Okay, so if you want to enter the message into a new line, then you just simply write backslash and n. Okay, so now if I run the program again, it will move my name is Giang to the next line. Okay, so this is basically a structured program in a very complex program. This is not really a structure of the program, whereas we have to break down the program into many smaller functions, where whether you want to save those functions in a file, or whether you want to save those functions in an additional file. So in a subsequent video we'll talk about that, and then you'll see what the difference between them. Okay, so that is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for tuning to my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and then I'll see you next time. Thank you very much.